About this item: desktop USB charging station MyFaso desktop outlet extender design with anti-skid pad, make it more stable on the any table. Built-in high-quality components, enhanced circuitry and fireproof housing, overcurrent/overcharge/short circuit/overheated keep you and your devices safe with multiple protections. As an extension cord with 3 USB ports, 5V/2.4A max charging current in one socket at a time with charging most of your USB devices. 13A 5 UL approved extension cord. MyFaso 3 USB power strip provide a rated power of 1625W, 125V13A, and a wide range of power distribution 100-240V. 3 USB charger and 16 AWG 5 feet heavy-duty extension cord can meet most applications. The braided power cord is not easy to deform, durable and more safety than other power cord. Cruise ship and dorm room essentials. Non-surge protector power plug is compact and lightweight. The 4 rubber feet on the bottom keep from slipping and can be stable on the any table. No surge protection, it's definitely a must-have cruise ship accessories. Ideal for multiple devices charged together, whether as a desktop power strip or a nightstand charging station. It can be competent. Mountable and low-profile right-angled flat plug. This MyFaso wall mount outlet expander can be mounted on the wall by 2 slots on the